Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I am here today with my Not Too Shabby Day video. It is on the Not Too Shabby channel. It will be up on my channel tomorrow. And so I just want to showcase a couple of things that kind of tend to get forgotten at the Not Too Shabby shop. Jamie carries lots and lots of wonderful products. Well, one of the wonderful products she carries is Doodlebug Designs. I am a Doodlebug fanatic. And one of the things that tend to get forgotten once she's sold out of all the paper are the wonderful embellishments that she brings to the table. So what I have done is to pull out Doodle Pops. Now, yes, I have the paper because I already had it in my stash, but you could very well purchase some Doodle Pops, pull out some pattern paper that you have. They don't have to go with Doodlebug Designs paper. So I have pulled out some Doodle Pops that are in stock and made 4 quick cards. I made them using this month's sketch. So kind of did double duty here. This will also be my blog post as soon as it gets posted and Jamie gets it up. This will be my blog post for inspiration for the sketch this month. So anyhow, I have put together the cards. Now for the background, instead of just cutting straight, I used a scalloped rectangle die from Pink and Maine. I will have that linked in the description box down below. That will be from a different source. And so instead of doing my strips all the way here, I did them just on the pattern paper. And so I've gone ahead and put all 4 of those together, and then I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with my Doodle Pops. So I pulled out my trusty mini doilies. I absolutely love these. I have them in every single color, and I just think that they're perfect to go behind a focal point. So let me move those to the side and get my glue, and I am going to get this going for you. Let me get my glue boogers off. Okay, so on these, they're very thin, so you only want to use a little tiny bit of glue. And when you pull these apart, they are very thin, so you want to make sure that you pull them apart, you know, make sure that you've only got one, because they are very thin. Okay, so we've got this little hello Doodle Pop. I'm getting the bits off of it. So we have that right there. And we will put the little heart, oh, let me get it straight, right there. And I'm going to put, and all of this is real dimensional. I'm going to put hello right up here in the corner. Okay, super fast and easy. Of course, it didn't take me no time to put the background together. So the thing that took the most was to cut the card bases. All right, so on to the next one. And this one already has a sentiment with it as well. And I am going to put my glue on the back of my doily. I just love these doilies. Maybe I can talk Jamie into ordering some and having them in stock. I think I will try to do that. Okay. All right. So this is a little flower cone. a nosegay, I think they call it. For you. And then this love you is very dimensional, just like that hello. And I'm going to put this on this side. Okay. So now we have hello and love you. And these two cards, they came from a Valentine's collection, but they do not have to be Valentine cards. So, all right. Now, this comes from the latest Doodlebug collection, Seaside Summer. I have 2 videos on my channel using this collection. I will link those in the description box down below. And then we have a shaker pop. And I happen to have 2 of these. And these are, again, these are in stock. And it is a little ice cream cart. And it says gelato on it. So maybe they're over in Italy. But I don't know. Gelato is, you can have gelato in the United States. I had gelato for the first time several years ago when I was in Italy and loved it. Okay, I'm going to save this because I did not decorate the inside of my cards, and I need to cut a strip, and I'm going to save that to go on the inside of my card, on both of them. Now, the 2 sentiments came from the Chit Chat. Also, this is also in stock, and they, again, you wouldn't have to have paper, the Doodlebug Designs paper, to go with the Chit Chat. You could use it on other paper. So there is that card. And the next one is going to be almost the same, except I have 2 doilies here. When I picked it up, I could tell because they're very thin, and that one wasn't thin. How many times did I say they're very thin? So we have our doily down here. And this time I also used the Sweet Life again, but it's a different piece. So it's a banner. And I am going to put that right there. Actually, let's move it up there. Okay. So let's get our Doodle Pop on. All right, so we have our ice cream there, and our ice cream there, and then I'll save that one again to go on the inside. So we have 4 quick cards using the sketch from this month, and Doodle Pops that are in stock, and Chit Chat in stock, and voila, you have some absolutely gorgeous cards. So thank you so much for watching. All the products will be linked in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye.